Hello everybody, it's New Year's Eve. This will be the last unboxing of the year. I really didn't need 3 of these, but the price was right. This is the way the box arrived. It came from Texas, from an online pickers. So let's open this up. I don't know where Cotty is. I think Cotty's hiding because there's fireworks going on. You guys might hear him in the background and hear the dogs barking. But let's just get on with the show here. Yeah, like I said, I really don't need 3 of these, but it's always nice to have backup test equipment. So, Salvation Army. Ooh, we got somebody there. So let's see what we have in the box here. Well, you guys know what's in the box due to the description and the thumbnail. Very thick bubble. The other seller packed it better, but this should be fine. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we've got another Data IO 29B. There's fireworks. Okay, let's start unpacking this. I've got the software ready. We'll give this a test. Might have to pull, yeah, I'm gonna have to pull a unipack out. Really didn't need another power cord, but this one's got some scrapes and scratches. It looks like the proms have been reprogrammed at one time. It's missing the pull out. But this was tested in 1984, February 13th, 1984. Not sure if it's had a RAM upgrade or not. It was very limited info. It's probably going to need power supply rebuilt like them all, but got some damage, but it's fine. It's old. For being 1984, what stood out was that port. Okay, I gotta make sure that's at 14. That's 120 volts. Ooh, we got, uh-oh. I don't like that sound. Ooh, that's a screw. You have a screw floating in there. There it is. Ooh, dropped it. We had a screw floating in there. Oh, we should do the shake test. So, I forgot the test points to jumper. So I'm just gonna have to grab a unipack. So let me grab one of those. Try it over here. Let's drop a unipack on here. Okay, this says version 164K up here. I'm hoping it's not, but it's okay to. Just wondering what that other connector right there is for. Let's plug this in. Actually, before I power it, I don't want to risk my and it don't boot. No boot. real loud. It don't boot. It don't work. Darn. Well, so much for doing a testing video. But yeah. Can you hear it? Let me take the mic off. It should boot up. But this one don't boot. It's totally dead. Oh well. Win some, you lose some, but it was listed as working. So I'm not sure if I want to invest too much time or money into it. I already have 2 of them. I was kind of like I said, I was kind of curious on that port because I haven't seen one of those on a Data IO 29B. That's the part number. So, bummer. What a way to end the year is with a dead unit that was sold is working. I will verify that here. I don't think my memory is that bad. Used and tested works, but there were no power-up pictures, so yeah. Well, we shall message the seller because I'm not gonna pay what I paid for it for a totally dead unit. So, well, you probably won't see this video until the New Year's, so Happy New Year. This should be my first video of 2025. We'll catch y'all later.